Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a healthy sandwich recipe using cabbage and egg. Cabbage provides 85% of the body daily requirements. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken purple and white cabbage, equal amount, 200 grams each, cut into thin slices. Cabbage is packed with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. It's good for diabetes and helps great in weight loss. White cabbage 200 grams. It's rich in fiber and the juice is extremely effective in cleansing your body. I've grated one small potato, it's 200 grams. Into a mixing bowl, add both white and purple cabbage, one onion thinly sliced, one grated potato, two eggs, add some salt, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon, mix everything well. Into a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Into the pan, add cabbage and egg mixture. Spread it evenly. Turn the other side, let it cook for 2 more minutes. Cabbage egg omelette is ready. It's very healthy, tasty and filling too. You can have it like that or break into small pieces and use as a sandwich filling. If your kids are fussy about cabbage, give them as a sandwich. Let's make sandwich. I've got 4 slices of bread. Spread some cheese spread on one side of the bread. Spread it evenly. On the other slice, apply some tomato ketchup. On one side of the bread, add generous amount of cabbage egg mixture. It's really tasty and crunchy. Do try this healthy recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this recipe, do check out my other recipe, shredded beef sandwich. I will link to that video in the iCard above. It's really good. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.